So this is the original photo, and this is the one that has been recreated using Gemini's Nano Banana. So what you're seeing right now is known as a lifestyle or contextual product photography. And the goal of this style is to integrate the product into a real-life situation. Like in this example, this is the Prime bottle, which I believe is sort of energy drink product, and that's gonna make sense to add some other elements like this running shoe, sunglasses, and there is also this towel, and not to mention there are some people behind this product doing some physical activities. So it's going to make the product a bit more believable, and it's just pretty to look at. And basically in this video I'm going to show you the prompt that you can use in Gemini's Nano Banana to turn any product, again any product, into a lifestyle product photography in just a few seconds. So this is another example of a Tesla Model 3 car. As you can see, it looks really amazing. And another example is this red dress, pretty good. And there's also this very bland McDonald's hamburger, and we can make it a bit more attractive. And the last one is my favorite. This is the WD-40 that can be turned into a perfume, and it looks just wonderful. So let me show you how you can create a lifestyle or contextual product photography from any product using a simple prompt in Gemini. Let me open gemini.google.com, and for this example I will use this Stanley tumbler product. Let me just copy it and let's paste that into Gemini. Okay, and after the picture has been uploaded into Gemini, you can insert this prompt. So the prompt is kinda long, but it's actually quite simple. Now I'm going to provide the prompt in the description, so you can just copy the prompt and put that into Gemini. But there is one thing here that you might want to change. So here there is the keyword product, and you can describe what is the product or the product category. In this case, this is a tumbler, so I'm going to just type tumbler, click tools, create images, and send the message. So that's about it. Just copy, paste, and change the product category, and just wait for Gemini to create the lifestyle product photography of the picture that you just provided. Okay, I guess I have to wait a few more seconds so we can see the result from this generation. Okay, so that looks really amazing. Just compare it with this plain white background picture. This one looks a lot more interesting. So again, the full prompt is available in the video description below, and I'm hoping that you can use this prompt to make your product marketing better and attract more attention. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.